What is going on, guys? This is the CTR TV channel. As you know, it's all nature, so I do fishing and gardening as well. And with the gardening video, I just stopped by Lowe's actually and got some sweet 100 tomato seeds and Roma tomatoes. So I'm going to show you all how to sprout tomato seeds and seeds in general, and how to plant them. My general experience: I've gardened for 3 to 4 years. The reason I say 3 to 4, well, 4 years ago, it was a complete fail for the most part, very low turnout. And last year was a little bit better, but I still got a spider mite infestation, and there's things like tilling the soil that I didn't really do. So we're gonna do a year of fishing, vlogging. That's gonna be this channel, and it's really just a bunch of random stuff as well. So I'm definitely not doing this for money at all. It's just for pure enjoyment, and if you're enjoying it, just let me know. All right, see you guys. Alright, so back to the gardening video. So basically, now that I'm home, I have this thing right here. Alright, so here's my Jiffy greenhouse. And as you can see, here's my configuration. So then there's a few of them that are already growing, and I've learned a lesson from this. So here are, actually I have a little paper here. So let me flatten that out really fast. It should actually be turned this way. This right here is what matches the photo. Oh yeah, these are peas. So these right here are peas. If you have any peas, those grow very, very quickly. So don't put them in your greenhouse until a little bit later, because what's going to happen is these like okra or the red bell peppers, or here's my corn. I just did one corn. Here's some peas as well. They're all growing faster than, like tomatoes and peppers. So you're gonna have an uneven planter, I guess. This right here is a cowpea that grew very quickly. This right here is it says dwarf pea. So there's your dwarf pea that's already growing. And you see the root coming down. I am going to put this back on. I let out most of the heat anyways, so that's where I am in my garden. I'm doing seeds this year, so